Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. Today is none other than the number 53, guys, as you can see there. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like dollhouses, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, it has the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course, in none other than the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 53. If you would like to see the previous 52, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards. And guys, down here we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool, and I can't wait to build it with you guys. If you guys want to continue on the journey of building this dollhouse with me, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, while you're down there, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company, guys, that makes the Marvel figures I unbox, as well as many of the comics that I also unbox. If you guys are interested in seeing those, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. You can see all of my playlist in the playlist section. And here it shows this very elegant dollhouse. That's one of the things I love about this collection, is that it shows all of these very historical dollhouses. And it shows you all of the different pieces. And it gives you a nice dose of information. This little sofa is really cute. I really like that. That's really cool. And look at the phone there. Let's open this up. I am just loving this collection, guys. I can't wait to finish it. I can't wait to have it completed and to have it so I can do all kinds of cool stuff. As I said before, guys, I have plenty of plans for this collection. Oh well. Here it shows you how to connect the two wooden pieces we got. I will show you later an up-close version of those. But well, here it shows you step by step how to connect those. And guys, don't worry. Once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to connect everything, how to do all of these little projects. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell, and of course guys, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it shows you how to measure it to make sure that it's balanced. Now this collection is really awesome, and here it gives, as always, like a little historical background. This collection is really great, guys. I just can't believe how amazing it is. But these pages are a bit stuck. There we go. I just love how in depth they got with this collection, because it not only gives you like little projects and things to do and walks you through step by step of how to build it, but it also gives you this historical information, historical background. It gives you the context of the environment that this house would have been situated in, and it really works for the immersion, which is really cool. Oh well, guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed, and of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new additions to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, guys, so now it's time to check out our new additions to the dollhouse. This time it has these wooden pieces for the roof of the dollhouse. You can see the little groove there. That will be for the frankenwood. And then it's just flat on the other side. There you can see that. And the other side there. And well, I'm going to show you the other one. So there it is. There's the second. It again there has that groove for the roof, which later it will be like that. That looks pretty cool. Alright guys, now it's time to check out our brand new tablecloth. I'm just gonna open it up here. And boom, there it is out of the plastic. Let me just move this. Okay, let's open this up if we can. Oh, it's not a tablecloth as I thought it was. It's like a table runner or like a hand towel. We have a little loose stitching here, but oh well, that can happen sometimes, more in things that are mass produced. The stitching is quite, seems to be well done. We actually have a red tablecloth that has this argyle pattern. Would it be argyle or checker mark? I never get that right. And maybe you guys saw it in some of our older videos. If you haven't, you should definitely check out our older videos where we have the tablecloth. And then we discovered that it lights better without, like it lights better the figures or the things we wanted to show without the tablecloth. So, lesson learned. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Costa's Bartuner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.